Hi everyone, Rocking Dan Teaching Man here and welcome to Retro Week. Yes, this week I am bringing back a lot of my old videos that I replaced when I updated them, like the original Friends of 10 you'll be able to see again, and What's Heavier Than a Lunchbox, and the original Polar Bear Length song, and a few other songs too. Let me know if you like these original videos. A lot of people have said, hey, what's happened to them? And I've told them, well, I updated them, I made new animations and I re-recorded things that I didn't like, but people have been asking for them to come back. So for this week, by popular demand, the original retro Rocking Dan videos from almost 6 years ago, some of them, will be back. So check them out and I'll leave the links here to those videos and let me know what you think. And rock on with Rocking Dan. Have a great Rocking Dan Teaching Man Retro Week and enjoy the music and the videos. The original videos are back for 1 week only. And rock on with Rocking Dan. See you later. Bye for now.